Does the trimmer line feed out of your trimmer uncontrollably? If so, you probably need a new lever. Your trimmer is equipped with an auto feed spool. It works off of centrifugal force and automatically feeds out more line as the line wears away. Over time, the lever can become worn until finally it won't stop line from feeding out, creating a mess of line around the trimmer head. Replacing the lever is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the trimmer head cap. I just press the tabs in on the side of the trimmer head, and the cap will pull off. Now remove the spool. The lever is located just beneath the spool inside the trimmer head. To remove it, I'll insert a screwdriver through one of the tab openings on the trimmer head, and that way I can get it underneath the lever. Then I'll just give the screwdriver a twist and the lever will pop off. Now I'll install the new lever. It just presses right onto the post that the old one came off of. Now I'll replace the spool and secure it with the cap.